To install this crystal baffle with light strip mark, first open this. Then unscrew this screw. Then just lift this away. First we have to pry this leather open. And here's how we do it. Turn it over. Let's cut this cable tie. Then we put it on. And then we screw this on. Let's put it on. Then just tighten the screw under this. Just tighten these 3 screws. We tighten this and put this buckle again. Push it up like the installation on. Let's shave it now and like this.